So how do you turn on suggestions on an Instagram profile? Let's get started and let's explain how it works. If you are new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so that way you do not miss anything important in the future, right? So what you can do is to open up your Instagram, go to your profile and just go to the three lines in the top right corner to go to the settings and privacy, and you can dig through the settings trying to find the suggestions available right there. So actually you need to go to the notification section within the settings right there and go to the following and followers, and in there you can find account suggestions, and you might have it turned on or off, which means that you have like a little example there that somebody or who you might know that is on Instagram and some similar notifications are going to be delivered to you. So these are like the account suggestions as well, right? So this is kind of how you can do this. There are also more things in here which you can dig through and change, but that was the main thing I wanted to show you in this video. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up and find it. If not, try updating your Instagram to the latest version. They just roll out the updates pretty often, right? So just make sure you run on the latest version. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.